So this smoothie, I am going to be calling this smoothie ginger, spinach, and pineapple blend. Oh my God, it's looking so nice. Okay guys, so this is our final product. It's looking so good. This is healthy, and like I mentioned, you can take it any time of the day. You can take it as your breakfast, and you can take it as dinner, lunch, anytime you feel like having a smoothie. You can never go wrong with having the ginger, spinach, and pineapple blend. That is what I call this, because those are the three main ingredients you need to make this powerful smoothie that is packed with so much nutrients, so much vitamins. It's going to help boost your energy level. It has a lot of antioxidant that will help. It also have anti-inflammatory properties. Just name it. So packed with a lot of nutrients. This is so yummy. So yummy.